Hi, everyone, and happy Thursday out there. It's a muggy, hot, humid day across our area, and the sun is now shining as well. So, of course, we have that heat advisory in place for today and for Friday. It does not include Block Island, but it does include everybody else. Temperatures right now about 84 in Providence, 84 over in Taunton, 77 down in Newport. But when you factor in that humidity, well, it feels a whole lot warmer. It feels like 91 in the capital city. 92 is what it feels like over in Taunton. Even down at the coastline, westerly, New Bedford, it feels like the upper 80s to around 90 or so. And then again, this is, middle part of the day. We still have several hours to go of daytime heating. Dew points in the 70s. It's very tropical out there, a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and in the air as well. So, of course, this is kind of typical for this time of year. Our average high this time of year in August is about 84 degrees or so. So we're obviously above that for today and the next several days, really. Here, of course, is Newport Harbor, seeing the blue sky and the clouds out there. We had some fog earlier in the day, and that did lower visibility, but, things are much improved now, and that'll be the theme and the trend for the remainder of your Thursday. So definitely get out and take advantage of it. Plenty of people in the water here in Narragansett. Got the surfers out there, and a nice crowd out on the beach as well. A radar check, you can see things are pretty quiet out there. Not expecting any kind of showers or storms, and there are some areas of showers and storms forming off to the west across parts of upstate New York and the Hudson Valley, but most of that activity should stay to the west of us as we go through the day today. So really thinking our better chance of showers and storms during the afternoon will come on Friday. So again, the reason being for this warm, muggy, humid feel here, we have high pressure, the Bermuda high, which is located off in the Atlantic, and it's just giving us that southwesterly flow from down in the tropics, and it's bringing us up all that tropical moisture into our area. So let's time things out. Looking at mainly sunny conditions for the rest of today. Again, heat advisory continues, hot, humid. Feels like temperatures between about 95 and 100 for some inland locations tonight. Very muggy, drier overnight. There could be a stray shower in the evening across inland areas. Not really expecting a whole lot, though. For Friday morning, partly sunny, hot, humid conditions develop. And you're looking at those showers and storms developing for the afternoon hours, favoring inland areas for the best chance of seeing some activity. But, nonetheless, when it's this, muggy and humid, certainly just be mindful that it could pop up anywhere across our region. But any storm or, shower that forms could bring some brief heavy rainfall because, of course, there's a lot of water content in the atmosphere with this kind of setup. So this afternoon, if you're heading on out, again, temperatures in the 80s to near 90 for inland locations, feeling much hotter than that. Feels like temperatures for Friday, again, during the peak of the day, late morning, early afternoon, going to be having feels like temperatures for inland spots around 99 degrees, potentially even to 100. So again, going to be pretty toasty out there for Friday. And you can see the muggy meter shows those dew points staying very humid right through Sunday with dew points in the 70s. And then it doesn't really get much better as we go into next week with those dew points staying in the 60s to around 70. 3-day forecast here for you. Again, good chance of a shower or storm for Friday afternoon. That seems to be the best chance over the next few days. And temperatures staying around 90 degrees over the course of the extended forecast right through the weekend. But that is a check of your forecast. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.